Hey guys, Coach Sarah with Red Phoenix Nutrition with a quick message for you about what is keeping you from your goals, right? So sometimes it can be as simple as negativity. We all have it. We all have struggles, stressors. I'm not talking about things like, burnt toast or somebody eats your meal prepped food out of the refrigerator. I'm talking about like the real life stuff, right? So stuff that causes you pain pretty deep, right? It could be, family issues. It could be something with a friend. It could be an extremely stressful work situation. It could be in your own head. It could be anxiety, depression related. I know that's something I deal with, in my current life, right? There's always a way to manage that. But the most important piece is you've got to let it go, because those things are definitely going to be holding you back from your goals, right? Whether your goals are fat loss, aesthetics, strength, whatever, quality of life, like that's my big goal, right? Longevity of life, it's gonna hold you back, right? So the power that you give the negative things in your life, and I'm gonna be real with you, I'm a coach, right? So you are the one in control of that. You are the one that gives it power or lets it go, right? It is up to you. Somebody, a good friend said to me one time, stress is not something you can, collect in a bucket. It's not a real thing. It's something we make up in our heads, and we all have it, right? We all get stressed out and that kind of stuff. But think about how much power you have over your thoughts, right? And what you do with those thoughts. But I'm going to tell you, that kind of negativity, holding on to it, obviously not only, we've talked about this before, increases your cortisol, right? Which increases your body fat that you're going to have, right? But not only that, the studies of the cancers and the physical ailments that come and grow through stress, it's pretty incredible and scary, right? So really think about that. You gotta let it go. So as much as I want you guys to hit your fat loss goals and your strength goals and, have huge muscles, my most important mission for you is live a healthy life. And that does start here, right? It is mental. And I guarantee if you get the things right here, it's gonna impact your physical health, and your goals are gonna just fall right in line for you like little soldiers. So like Elsa says, let it go. You gotta let it go. I can help you with this. There's lots of stuff through your nutrition that's also helpful when it comes to stress and anxiety and depression. And again, lots of times, all these things come from, they're things we create. So break out of that cycle so you can get on to the big stuff, right? The real stuff you really want, which is killing your goals. So if you need help with this, let me know. You can shoot me a message here or through my website at redphoenixnutrition.com. All right, you guys, I hope you have a great day.